With over 2.6 billion monthly active users, YouTube is one of the most popular content channels. It's also one of the easiest content channels to monetize. Reach 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, and you can monetize your channel to generate regular cash flow. But many side hustlers shy away from YouTube because they don't want to be on camera, or they don't have filming equipment, or they aren't comfortable talking on screen. With Vidnoz AI tool in your workshop, all of that changes. Now you can create YouTube videos without having to film anything, show your face, or even use your voice. You can start a Faceless Educational Explainer YouTube channel with AI in just 5 steps. Step 1 is picking an educational niche for your channel. Ideally, pick an education niche you're familiar with and passionate about. Before choosing your niche, do your research and make sure there is an interest for the topic you want to talk about. Without an audience, your videos won't make any money. Once you've selected your topic, it's time to start generating some videos. Step 2 is writing a script for your first video. You don't need to write a script. AI will do that for you. OpenAI Playground or ChatGPT is probably the best free AI writing tool for creating long-form content like video scripts. But there are also plenty of other AI script writing tools out there, like Arter or WriteSonic. You can also get scripts from ebooks or education websites. Using an AI tool to write your script for you is not a completely hands-off process. You can't just generate a perfect script with a click of the button. Edit the script, expand the text where necessary, and edit again. But it's completely up to you how you want to develop your script. With ChatGPT commands, you can literally go paragraph by paragraph, editing as you go along. It takes some time to get the hang of writing prompts for AI, but eventually you will be able to generate scripts very quickly. The slow part is the editing. Step 3 is generating the video with Vidnoz AI. So this is where the video making process comes in. If you happen to be creating online tutorials for your Faceless YouTube channel, you can simply record your screen lessons with OBS Studio, and you won't have to show your face at all. Otherwise, you can use Vidnoz AI text-to-video tool to create the videos, or using stock photos and video clips with a realistic talking avatar to make the video more engaging and get monetized fast. Step 4 is voiceover. Vidnoz also offer AI voiceovers, so you don't even have to use your own voice if you don't want to. Now make sure that you have signed up on Vidnoz and logged in. Head over to Tools and look for AI Text-to-Speech. Copy and paste the whole script you created using AI and let Vidnoz AI Text-to-Speech do the work for you and create a voiceover. Step 5 is editing and aligning the voiceover with the video that you generated in Vidnoz. Open your video editor and add the generated video and audio file and match it. Export it and save it to your computer. Step 6 is creating a thumbnail image. Next, you'll want an eye-catching thumbnail image to make your video pop. Your thumbnail is very important because it needs to stand out and make people want to click on your video. You can easily create a custom thumbnail in Canva, my favorite all-around design platform. Canva has a lot of templates to choose from, with stock photos and text decorations to make your thumbnail one of a kind. Of course, you can also have AI generate your thumbnail for you. Designs.ai is a graphic design platform that will generate graphics for you. It's as easy as selecting a template, inputting your text, and selecting one of the options it generates. The final step is uploading, publishing, and generating an optimized headline and description. Upload the video to your YouTube channel. Finally, you need an optimized headline and description for your YouTube video. Like your thumbnail, your headline is key for success. The headline copy should have a strong hook without being too clickbaity. Head over to vidIQ and make it generate a catchy title for you. For description, use ChatGPT and prompt it to generate a good YouTube video description for you. Now you can finally publish your AI-generated video on your new Faceless YouTube channel. You've learned how to create a Faceless Explainer Math and Science Educational Tutor YouTube channel with AI. AI is your secret weapon to share knowledge without revealing your identity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.